Hello friends, welcome back to my channel that is Brain Exercise with Jyoti Chhabra, and there I will teach you exercise 2.1 of NCERT chapter decimals and fractions, and I will teach you question number 1 of 5th part, and we have already completed question number 1 of 1st to 4th part. Now this video is for 5th, 6th and 7th part. So let's start this video. So we will take the LCM of the denominator value. Here the denominator value is 10, 5 and 2. And if we will take the LCM of 10, 5 and 2, we will get the answer 10. I will show you how to take the LCM of 10, 5 and 2. Here I will divide these number by 2 first of all. So if I divide 10 by 2, I will get the answer 5, and this 5 will remain as it is because it is not possible to divide 5 by 2. We will get the answer in a point. And if I divide 2 by 2, I will get the answer 1. Now these number will divide by 5, that is 5 multiplied by 1, 5 divided by 5 equals to 1, and 5 divided by 5 equals to 1. So my factors are 5 and 2, and if I multiply 5 and 2, I will get the answer 10. So my LCM is 10. So what I will do with this LCM, I will put that LCM here in the denominator position, and now what I will do, I will divide this LCM with these denominator values, and whatever the answer I will get, I will multiply that answer with the numerator values. So if I divide this 10 by 10, I will get the answer 1, and this 1 should be multiplied by this numerator value, that is 7. In the same way, I will divide this 10 by 5, I will get the answer 2, and this 2 should be multiplied by this numerator value, that is 2. And if I divide this 10 by 2, I will get the answer 5, that is 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. So this 5 should be multiplied by this numerator value, that is 3. So what I will do, I will apply the BODMAS rule here. First we will solve the multiplication, and whatever the answer we will get, we will add those numbers with each other. So if I multiply 7 by 1, I will get the answer 7, and 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4, and 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 50. Now I will add these numbers with each other. So if I add 7 plus 4 plus 15, I will get the answer 26, that is 26 upon 10. So my answer would be 26 upon 10. And I can also cut this answer, that is if I divide with the 2. If I cut these numbers with 2, that is 2, 13 to the 26 and 2, 5 to 10. So my answer would be 13 upon 5. So next part is, this is the example of the mixed fraction that I have told you in the introduction of fraction video. First we will solve this mixed fraction, then we will take the LCM of the denominator values. So how we will solve this 2 upon 3? What we have to do to find the numerator value, we have to multiply this 3 by 2, that is 3 multiplied by 2, we will get the answer 6. And add this 2 with this number, that is 6 plus 2 would be 8. So my when I solve this 2 upon 3, I will get the answer 8 upon 3. That is 2 upon 3 is 8 upon 3. In the same way I will do this, that is if I multiply 3 by 2, I will get the answer 6, and 6 plus 1 equals to 7, that is 7 upon 2. Now this is the improper fraction, because here the numerator value is larger than the denominator value. So it is an improper fraction. What I have done, I have convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now I will add these number, that is 8 upon 3 plus 7 upon 2. I will take the LCM of 3 and 2, the denominator values, and I will get the answer 6. I will put that 6 in the denominator position, and in my next step what I will do, I will divide this 6 by this denominator value, and I will get the answer 2, and that 2 should be multiplied by this numerator value, that is 8. 8 multiplied by 2, and this plus sign will remain as it is. And in the same way I will divide this 6 by 2, I will get the answer 3, and this 3 should be multiplied by this 7. And now I will apply the BODMAS rule here. I will multiply the numbers, and whatever the answer I will get, I will add those numbers. So here 8 multiplied by 2 equals to 16, and 7 multiplied by 3 equals to 21. Now I will add these numbers, that is 37. If I add 16 plus 21, I will get the answer 37. So my answer would be 37 upon 6. And in the next question, I will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, and whatever the answer we will get, we will subtract those numbers. So in order to solve 8 1 upon 2, what I will get, so 8 multiplied by 2 equals to 16, and 16 plus 1 equals to 17. So here 17 upon 2, and 3 5 upon 8 would be 8 multiplied by 3, that is 24, and 24 plus 5 would be 29. That so our improper fraction would be 29 upon 8. Now I will subtract these numbers. So here it is a subtraction, not addition. It is mistaken. So what I will do in the next step, I will take the LCM of this 2 and 8, and I will get the answer 8 by taking the LCM of 2 and 8. I will show you, that is 2 and 8. I will divide by 2 first of all, that is 2 divided by 2 equals to 1, and here 4 will remain, because if I divide 8 by 2, I will get the answer 4. Here again with the 2, that is 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4, and again with the 2, and the factors are 2 2 and 2. So if I multiply these factors, that I will get the answer 8. So my LCM would be 8. I will put that LCM in the denominator position, and in my next step what I will do, I will divide this 8 by this 2. I will get the answer 4, and that 4 should be multiplied by this number, that is 17. And this minus will remain as it is, and in the same way I will divide this 8 by this 8, and I will get the answer 1, and that 1 should be multiplied by this 29. And I will apply the BODMAS rule. Here I will multiply the numbers first, then I will subtract. So if I don't know the table of 17, because it's very difficult to learn the tables after 11. So what I will do, I will apply my tips and tricks video of table. If you do not watch that video, please go to my channel, and it is the best video of my channel. You can watch that video. So here I will apply that. Here I will assume this one as 10. So 10 multiplied by 4 equals to 40, and 7 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. 40 plus 28 would be 68. So if I multiply 17 by 4, I will get the answer 68. And this 29 multiplied by 1 equals to 29. Now I will subtract, and this 8 will remain as it is in the next step. So I will subtract this 68 minus 29. Here the number will left 9, because it will become 18, and it will become 5 because I have taken the carry. So 5 minus 2 would be 3. So my answer would be 39 upon 8. So this video is completed, and in the next video we will do the other questions of this exercise. So please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.